OnePlus recently showed their concept phone at CES 2020 and it is called the OnePlus Concept 1. So this phone is in collaboration with McLaren, and as you can guess, there are some McLaren design touches to this smartphone. So you get a papaya orange leather stitched to the back of the smartphone inspired from the McLaren 720S if I'm not wrong, and a sleek glass going through the middle of the smartphone where all the magic happens. We'll come to that later, but you also get a golden frame holding your smartphone. Now this golden frame is actually achieved by a process called physical vapor deposition, where the gold is allowed to vaporize, and then when it sticks to the surface it cools down and again becomes solid gold. So I'm not getting into that rocket science stuff, but the point is you get an awesome looking smartphone and it is all that matters. So under the hood you get the same specifications as the OnePlus 70 Pro, the Snapdragon 855 going on and the 90Hz AMOLED display, all that amazing stuff. So keeping these things aside, let's come to the main concept behind this concept smartphone. So the glass going through the middle of the smartphone is not just another glass, it's called an electrochromic glass. Now till now, this electrochromic glass was seen in the sunroofs of supercars, and few airplanes had these technology going on. Some very high-end windows also had this technology. Now OnePlus has taken that technology and used it on their smartphone. Now electrochromic glass is basically an electronically tintable glass. Now what this does is it can make your camera disappear when you don't need it, and whenever you open the camera app, within 0.7 seconds you have a fully functional camera. Now you might be wondering that it will cost a lot of battery, running that 90Hz panel and this electrochromic glass sort of technology, but OnePlus has claimed that they have minimized the consumption of battery to a very small extent, and OnePlus says that it won't cost much of a battery, but still I do not prefer using a bit of my battery to make my cameras disappear. Still, it looks really cool when the cameras are not there. Definitely looks like some science fiction stuff. Now the camera geeks out there watching this video will know that there are some other benefits to this tintable technology. This technology actually allows you to have an ND filter on your smartphone camera. Now it is not variable ND, but you do get a few stages of ND. In overexposed situations, it does help a lot. Now all the camera enthusiasts out there who have dreamt of having an ND filter on their smartphone, your dream has finally come true. Now OnePlus has not mentioned any official date for its launch. Neither did they say that they will launch this smartphone, nor do I think that they will launch the exact same smartphone like they showed off. So there will be a lot of changes and minor upgrades, I guess. So this concept is really amazing and it can bring a lot of changes to the camera sector of the smartphone industry, and I think it's really cool. The camera enthusiasts can really benefit from this, and there are a lot of new changes that can come from this small evolution. So it is really fascinating to see companies taking initiatives and bringing in new things into their smartphones. So it is really cool, and that's why I love tech. And if you love tech, then do subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell beside the subscribe button. So by the time you are seeing this video, it will be my birthday probably, so you can wish me happy birthday in the comment section below and drop a like to make me happy. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. So OnePlus has worked 18 months on this technology to make it work properly, and I am also working hard on this channel, but I am still procrastinating. I didn't complete 500 subscribers by 15th of January. You didn't help me. I guess from now on you will see Hindi content coming on this channel, so wish me luck for that, and do tell me in the comment sections below on what content would you like to see in the next video. So this is your favorite tech companion, the Tech Geek, signing off for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.